Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use mouse cursor and screen recording time on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, open up your Samsung Galaxy phone, and usually in Samsung Galaxy phone, we will get screen recorder app like this. But if you don't get the screen recorder feature in your Samsung Galaxy phone, I recommend you to download an application called X Recorder. Okay, you can get this application from Play Store. Just go to Play Store and then you're going to search for X Recorder. X Recorder like this. And you're going to download it, this one guys. I'm just going to open it since I have installed this application. Okay, and then you can activate this floating ball to make it easier in recording your screen. Okay, and when we tap on this floating ball, we will be able to access some tool. For example, this brush, we can use this brush like this. Okay, and if you want to use cursor while you are recording your screen, you can activate the assistant menu. This is how the assistant menu looks like on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And here you will be able to activate cursor. And then the cursor will look like this. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how we can activate this assistant menu. Okay, I'm going to close it. We can go to settings, and in the settings you need to scroll down until you find accessibility setting and go to interaction index 3D, and here you will be able to activate the assistant menu. Now my assistant menu has been activated. Okay, and from this assistant menu, you will be able to get quick access to some important features in your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, and you can edit the items in the assistant menu. Just click on assistant menu, and then you're going to select the assistant menu items, and you can customize the items here. The items you want to display on the assistant menu. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back, and if you want to activate cursor, just go to the cursor. All right, okay guys, and that's all the way to use mouse cursor and screen recording time on Samsung. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.